If you've ever wanted to make a dotted line in a table in PowerPoint, this video is going to make it super easy. In just a few quick steps, I'll show you how to change the table border style from a solid line to a dotted or dashed line so your slides look cleaner, more modern, and more professional. This is a great trick for reports, business presentations, school projects, and any slide where you want your table to stand out without looking too heavy. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tips and tricks. Let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and click inside the table you want to edit. As soon as you click inside the table tools will appear at the top of PowerPoint. This is important because the border options are only available when the table is selected. Next, go up to the Table Design tab. This is where PowerPoint keeps all the styling options for tables, including border color, line weight, and line style. Once you're in Table Design, look for the Pen Style option. Click it to open the list of available line styles. From here, choose the dotted or dashed line style. This is the key step that changes your table borders from a solid line to a dotted appearance. After selecting the dotted style, go to the Borders option. This is where you decide exactly where that dotted line should appear in your table. Click Borders and then choose the border placement you want. If you want every line in the table to use the dotted style, select All Borders. If you only want the lines inside the table to change, choose Inside Borders. And if you want only the outer edge of the table to be dotted, select Outside Borders. Once you click your preferred border option, PowerPoint will apply the dotted line style to that part of the table immediately. If you don't see the change right away, just make sure the table is still selected and that you chose the correct border option. You can also repeat the process if you want to customize specific parts of the table separately. For example, you might want dotted inside lines but a solid outside border, or the other way around depending on the look you're going for. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can make a dotted line in a table in PowerPoint and give your slides a much cleaner and more polished look. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next PowerPoint shortcut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.